The all-new lineup of Warn VRX winches combines the best value with premium performance, designed for use with a variety of power sports vehicles, whether you're on the job or on the trail. Today we're installing a VRX 2500 on a 2018 Yamaha Kodiak 450. For the install on this Kodiak 450, you're going to need a standard screwdriver, a socket set, a pair of pliers, hex bits, and a handheld socket driver. Use your screwdrivers and socket wrench to remove the bumper. Attach the mounting plate for your new VRX winch to your bumper using the supplied hardware. Bolt your VRX winch onto the mounting plate using the included riser plate shown here, and tighten the remaining hardware. Fasten the hook onto your winch's cable and secure the safety pin. Now that your winch is secure to the bumper, you can mount it back onto the vehicle and tighten the bolts. Confirm that the battery is disconnected and check to make sure that the cables and ground wires can be routed to the winch. Use the contactor as a template to drill the holes needed for mounting. Be sure to check the area before drilling so you don't hit any wiring or fuel lines. Mount the contactor bracket using the supplied hardware. Move over to the left side of the handlebar to mount the handlebar switch. Route the wire harness cables to the contactor's mounting location. Then splice the red wire from the switch harness with the ignition wire that is only powered when the ignition is on. Refer to your vehicle's manual or use a meter to detect which one. In this case, it's the brown wire running from the ignition switch. Attach the yellow and blue electrical cables to the winch's motor terminals. Yellow is marked number 1 and blue is marked number 2. Warning, only tighten to 3 foot-pounds of torque. Route the yellow and blue cables back to the contactor. Place boots over the ring terminals, then place the ring terminals on the contact post. Yellow to yellow and blue to blue. Secure the nuts so that they're finger tight. Place boots on the ring terminal ends of the red and black cables. Then place ring terminals on the contactor posts red to red and black to black. Don't tighten them just yet. Adjust the cables so that you've got a straight shot from the contactor. Avoid kinks and sharp bends, and don't cross the cables over each other for at least the first 6 inches. Then gently tighten hardware to only 4 foot-pounds of torque. Do not over-tighten. This can cause permanent damage. Connect the winch remote switch wires to the contactor spade terminals, green to green and brown to brown. Inspect your routing to make sure everything looks nice and neat. If it looks good, you're ready to hook your battery back up and test out your new VRX winch. Make sure the wiring is secure and away from hot or moving components. We recommend using zip ties. Installation is now complete. To order your winch, simply go to warn.com, or for any other questions, email us at cs at warn.com or call 800-543-9276. Quality products that you can depend on. That's the Warn difference.